The start of mass production of the popular iPhone 9 smartphone is getting ready. Internet sources report that in the near future a mass release of a relatively inexpensive smartphone, Apple iPhone 9, also known under the unofficial name iPhone SE2, will be organized. It is alleged that the unit has entered the final stage of production verification. The assembly of new items will be carried out at Foxconn in Zhengzhou, the administrative center of Henan province of China. If you believe the information available, the popular iPhone will receive a 5.4-inch display, A13 processor, 3 GB of RAM, as well as a flash drive with a capacity of 64 and 128 GB. Earlier it was reported that the official presentation of the iPhone 9 will be held before the end of March. However, fears are now being expressed that due to an outbreak of coronavirus, device announcement may be delayed. One way or another, the assembly of the smartphone will begin in the coming weeks. On sale, the device is likely to appear in April. Estimated price of iPhone 9, from $399 US.